So I'm doing this real quick because I'm just been awake this whole time, and I just want to get this over with before I forget to later on because I got to get these printers up and running. What I'm gonna do is I need to fix a problem I have. I have a sleeping problem. If it's not obvious, I have one. When I go to sleep, it's hard for me to wake up. Even when I pee myself, I still don't wake up until the warmth has left my body. In that area, of course. So, to combat this, I am going to make a mechanical mechanism, a mechanism, a mechanism. Okay, focus. A mechanism to allow BonBon here to smack me in the face with a fly swatter, hopefully waking me up. But not just with one arm. No, it shall have a servo up its butt, so it can spin around. It can do the whole spinny spin. It can do the spinny spin as it, like whack 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 quack 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 quack. Gunter quack. That's basically what I want to do. So I took I just moved the shell 200 millimeters forward, and I made a copy so I can cut this up and have the original as a backup. Because I still need this piece to be there to connect to the bottom, and I might actually connect over and across. So to do this, I'm gonna take this, press V to get rid of it, come to my reference tab. I have all of these parts. I need to find the one that I'm gonna be using. I don't know which one it is. I think it's which one doesn't have blood on it? That's not the question I need to be asking. I need to be asking, why is the cheese not on the moon? I'm going to assume it's this one. I insert this reference model into the design. I then move it yonder way. Yondere. Then I find the other one I need. Banana. No. There it is. Insert into current design. It gets brought in. I move it yonder way. It always gets moved to the origin. Just keep those two there. Now, to make this next process easier, I'm just going to come way to the bottom and break link. What this does is that when they're linked like that, so let's say I open up this project file and I modified it. You are unwanted, phone. Shut up. Go away. Let's say I wanted to put like an M&M logo on this project file. If it was still linked, that means that it would update. So basically, when it's linked is when you put like this is the original, this is a copy. I can't affect the copy, but the copy can be affected by the original if the link is still there. But I just broke that link, so I can do whatever I want. Link to the past. So to make this next process, I'm going to press align, and I'm not going to be using bodies. I'll use components because technically this is a separate body on a component. It's like a group project with one person that doesn't do their job properly. So we're just going to align it with that hole there. And look at that, it moves the whole thing. That's in the way, so we need to do a spinny. So we need to do an angle. There we go. That's, wow, that is bad. That is terrible. Okay. Close enough for me. I could, in theory. So let me find this in browser. Hide you. If I press V on the actual body, it will only make the body disappear, not the actual component itself. So I wish you can press like Control V and that'll make the whole component disappear, but who am I to say what engineers should and should not do? I am merely a man with cheese. I am a man of cheese. I am a cheese man, eating the cheese of men. My own cheese. Sun Tzu said that. and I bet he knows a little bit more about it than you, pal. Cheese wheel. Where's the cheese? There it is. This right here is a special component. It is a metal servo horn that you can buy that will perfectly fit on the gear, or most gears of these big servos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring back the little torso, if the stupid program would load properly. It's not like I'm pumping gigabytes of data into this thing. Come on now. Hurry up. I'll start singing. I'll start yodeling. I'll reach for the... I'll pretend I don't care and it should load faster. There we go. Reverse psychology. Torso. Where the torso at? Mini torso. Okay, so the servo's gonna sit in there. I guess I can move it forward. Because I need to vertically slide perfectly in there. So we need to do move components. We're gonna select this component, then this component, and we're just gonna slide it forward until it can't. I say that's probably close enough. That's yeah. What's your block? Oh yeah, that's good. That means I can mirror it, and I can have 2 servo arms. Ooh, I can have 2 fancy servo arms. Yes, if I so choose. But I do not, because I do not eat shoes. I eat pickles with cheese. Moon cheese. Now that that's there, I also need to do this capture position. So shut up. I need to. Actually, I need to make a copy of. Create a copy of bodies, because I don't need a component, because there's only 2 bodies, the gear and this. I don't need the gear to actually move. I just need the pivot point to still be there, which is that circle right there. That nice circly bit, also known as a spherical circle. That's not true. It's known as a circle. But is it a circle if it was oval shaped? Or is it an oval circle? Are ovals really circles? Did Einstein really land on the moon? Do dogs actually go to heaven? Or do they go to the doggy purgatory? Okay, that got dark. Okay, I need to do a measurement real quick, so I can press snow snap point. And I can find the center of this. Shut up! I can find the center point of this. And the difference between the two is 3.97. Just click on this. Wait, it's in that direction. It points in the direction it needs to go. So, and there we go. So it isn't perfectly aligned, but I can't. Ooh, I'm clipping into my server. Mass Effect Reaper! Go away! How long have I been recording? No, in less than 10 minutes. We're still doing fine. So then I whistle blow on the secret aliens in the Area 51. And then I back it up. I might just, that looks good enough. That's the pivot point. I'll select it. I'll select everything else that's going to be moving. Use well, and I'll just start spinning. How does it look? Does that look center enough? That's good enough. Looks good enough to me. So then, since we cannot use that, since we cannot use spaghetti, we must use lasagna. Spaghetti. I just can't. I don't know why. I got that idea from that kid. It's like, spaghetti! And he just eats the spaghetti. People are like, why do you watch this guy? I don't know. I think he's funny. Oh, wow, you are crazy. Are you sure you're not just insane? Shut up, Linda. Do not speak for me. I am Cheese Man. Then I select this face, and then I select this face, and then I grab your face, and then I press E. That extrudes. We go up. Now we're not cutting anything. We're not gutting a fish. This is where the wire for the server are, so I'm gonna put it right about 1569. Whoops. There's supposed to be a dot somewhere in there, or a. We do new body. The reason we have to do one thing, we have to find this. Oh, that's this. We're just gonna call this butthole servo. All right, and we're gonna just unphase it. Now, if you noticed, It's a very tight squeeze. Now, since I am not confident in the clearance of my 3D printer, I'm going to take away a couple millimeters from that. So, oh, wow. So I don't have to worry about it being way too tight. And I think, let's see. Let's eyeball it. Oh, wow. Okay. How about just negative 1.1. WQIK. And then we wait for the spinny of the spinny and the spinny and the spinny and the spinny and spinny and spinny and spinny and spinning, spinning. Oh, I paused it. That's cool. I can pause the record. It keeps me it. That's cool. And I can button across. Okay, now we're playing. That's gonna look weird playing it back. I can pause this. I can pause my live recording. That's cool. Oh shit. Shoot. I mean, darn. Darn, dag, nabbit, cheese, kringle, flabbit. I'm going to add a 0.5 spacer here. I'm just going to do a new body, and then I'm going to do this extruded again to build the actual wall, and that's, I think, 6.9 millimeters is thick enough wall. We're going to just extrude to this point here. We're going to do new body. And I'm going to do this again. And we're just going to extrude. Meow. And then we're going to do new body again. This isn't the most effective way of doing it. This is what I do. Then I combine this body with this body with that body with that body. And I bury the bodies in the backyard inconspicuously with the corpses of the mafia. Of the mafia. Like, boss, where you want the bodies for the rival mafia gang? Ah, cut them up and put them in the spaghetti. Boss, that's messed up. Yeah, but I'm the boss. See? Yeah, see? I'm the boss, see? I can't see! Okay. Bringing it all back. How did I do this? Wait a second. Where's the mini torso? Oh, that's why. Okay, now you're a normal alarm. See, this is what happens when you interfere with me. I get distracted. My butt itches spinning in this chair. So that would connect that way. Interesting. So, fascinating. I don't know what any of this means, but I shall take a wild guess. So, oh god. Let's see, I can just, maybe I can't. Well, I'm gonna try anyway. Nope, I cannot. I can do this. I can do, nope, not on this side. I can do this side. I can do extrude. We're gonna go all the way to the corner. Wait. Minus 0.5. Oh, whoops. It's a double negative. Just 0.5. Just plus. There we go. New body. We're going to offset the face of this so that it is little with this, but we're going to make it just -4 just so there's plenty of clearance. Then I'm going to extrude this face and put it in there so it connects it all up. Then I'm going to use a hole drill, if I put it down properly, and it's going to drill a hole all the way, 4.4. Oh, just 4. It's going to drill a hole all the way through because that's a new solid body and it doesn't have the hole built in, but now it does. And I just do the same thing on this side, keeps the measurements, just line up, and boom. I then press combine. I'm going to combine this body with that body and that body. Or wait, I want the names to stay the same, so we're going to do boop, boop, and a stoop, and a stoop, and a stoop. Uh-oh. Don't select that. Select that. And done. Alright. Connected. Oh, the blue scared me. We go to the mini torso. Then we just do what we did, but on the other side. I heard movement. Suspicious movement. I think BonBon's on the loose. I printed like 5 of them, and now they're all gone. Just -20, please. I can type it in manually. New body. Hey everybody, Calculon's back! Such a stupid reference. I don't think anyone's going to get that joke. How long have I been going for? 15 minutes. Look how fast I'm going. It's almost like I know what I'm doing. It's amazing. It's like, oh my god, it's amazing. Like OMG, he knows what he's doing. Like, oh my glob. Lumpy space princess. Crap! He doesn't know what he's doing. Crap! He doesn't know what he's doing. he picked the wrong face and he pulled it back. We're passing out. Let me pause the live. If you want to know, you tell me all about secrets in the Hey, look, we're back. Sweet. So then we're going to make you go away, so you're out of my face. Out of my face, butthole. Shut up! Go to, offset face. Let's just say, I don't know, 4.4. 4. And then we're going to select this face. We're going to offset it. Negative number. For show. Select this face. If you hold down click, you're given an list of options, so you can select the face in the back or whatever. All right, so then we just offset this face a little bit more. That's good. That's good enough. Screw it. I'm thinking and reconsidering my options here. You know what? I am just gonna say screw it. I'm only gonna rely on the back screws. Everything else should be perfectly fine. I have my faith in everything. So then we can get rid of the mini-me again. Realized all that time was wasted. That part's finished. And now I need to make a part to hold this thingamabob. But since I can just do the same magician's work I did before, I can just do this to an extent. I'm going to go to this face here, go to... like I was saying, and I'm going to do new body. Then I'm going to go to this. I'm going to go to this face, so it makes that a new body. So I have a face that's perfectly the length I need. Select it, extrude it down. New body. Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kinda dumb with her finger in her bum. In the shape of an L on her forehead. Well. And just a kid falling down into a wishing well. Ah! Okay. So then I combine this one with this one with this one, and with the little itty bitty itty. Wait, I can just select this. Yeah. Oh yes, it works. The method works. Do not question the methodology. Yes. Okay. So then this is the component. I think. Is this still the component? Get your hand out of my face. I think, what was the thing I did? I think it was like negative 1.1, so negative 1.1, oh, extrude, down. Did I not combine this? Oh, I guess I didn't. I guess I didn't, sir. Well, I guess you didn't affect it, sir. Well, I'm aware of that now. I can clearly see. I also can smell you. You know what I just realized? Because that's in the way, none of this is possible. So, there's only one thing we can do. And that is, since this is in the way, I can't slide it in there to be easy. And I don't want to rework it, so I'm just going to do this. I'm going to take this body, and I'm going to split it at the connector point. Duh, I don't need to do that, because I didn't connect it. Go to mirror. I'm going to mirror it. I'm going to mirror it on its own butt plane, like that. Boom. New body. Bam. Go away. Bam. And then I'm just gonna move this face, drag it forward so it's in that axis. Bam! It aligns, and look at that. Like I never messed up. Look how cool I am. Look, see kids, that's how cool I am. You're 55 years old. Shut up! You don't understand me. You never understand a cool kid. The cool kids always know how to live it up. How long have I been going for? Damn, 20 minutes. And behold, I have made a animatronic butt slapper with this thing. And that's just the holder. That's just the holding part. And, well, on the bright side, I can save some material by cutting most of this off, since I don't need this. Oh, actually, I'll keep it, screw it. So, we need to combine this with this with this. That's good enough. I think that'll work. Now, I don't know exactly what my fly swatter looks like, but I can make an arm for it just for it. Now, let me pause because it's loading. It's done loading, literally 2 seconds later. So, we're going to bring back the torso mini-me, and we're going to putting a lot of faith in this thing. You're pointless. 37 bodies, 0 found. So we're gonna use this as the platform. These are 3mm holes. We're gonna need 3mm inserts. So that's gonna require holes that are 4.4 millimeters in diameter, because the actual insert is 4.6 millimeters in diameter. But because we need a tight space so that plastic has some pressure to give on the actual heated insert, so it can squish and get stuck on it, we need to be 4.4 or 4.3 or 4.2. But since I know that to get 4.4 from 3 point, to get 4.4 millimeters from 3 millimeters, I just need to do negative 0.7, because it's a circle. So, 0.7 is 1.4. 3 plus 1.4 is 4.4. 0.7. It stretches the hole by 0.7 radius. Ta-da! It offsets by the radius, not the diameter. Isn't that impressive? It is. I think it is. Yes. It has to also be long enough so that the insert can fit into it, and there's plenty of space for that plastic to get warped into. It's like a weird shotgun shell of connectivity and stinkiness. Also, I need to make this hole expansive, because I need to actually fit I need to actually fit a screw to actually attach to the servo. How big is this? This is 8mm. Ooh. Let's do negative 0.25. 8.5, and that's fine. I think that's good enough. So then we just need to do this. I need to make sure I have plenty of clearance. So let me just bring it to here. Okay, let's just do 4.5. Okay, new body. So then I'm going to select this. I'm just going to make a very generic shape. So we're going to just select the top of this circle, come over here, and the diameter is what, 20 millimeters, I think. So the length is 20. Let's make this like what, 75? No, 75 maybe. I think that's fine. I'll also put a circle right here, just because I have a feeling that I will need it. Just because my gamer instincts are telling me there should be a hole right here. And let's make it like 10 millimeters. No, let's make it 4. Make this easier. And the best thing is, I can do stuff like, since I don't need this whole thing to be solid plastic, I can just do this. I can make it a 5mm hole. I can take the rectangle pattern, I can then select it to be about right there. And we should make this symmetrical. No, not that way. One direction, symmetrical. There it is. One direction. You're going in the wrong direction. Maybe I should change that to 3, but this to 6. Yes. Yes, indeed. Oh, God. I'm pressing the wrong button. God, that actually scared me. Why would you do that to me? Okay, let's make this 5. Why are you changing direction? Or is it this one that's 5? 5. 4. No. So that needs to be 5, and this one needs to be 3. Okay, sweet. Can I make this 6, 7, 8, 9? Okay, let's go to 7. Not 97. That's fine. And finish it up. So then we select all of these spaces here. Yes. Yes and no. And then we just make it pretty thick. Let's say about 7.5 millimeters in diameter. That's a new body. That's plenty of holes for zip ties and to save material cost. Then I combine everything together to make a perfect butthole slapper. BonBon butthole slapper. Now let's see what these... There's a lot of straggler bodies just about, and I don't know why. That should be contained. Let's just get that out of the way. Let's just nip this stuff in the butt while we have the... Load. Wow, that took a while. Oh, yeah, that's also... do I really want to waste the time to just fix this little mistake? I do. How about that little mistake right there? I don't care. God! I know I need to sleep. You don't have to wake me up. Jeez. Alright, so there we go. Let's get through these straggler bodies. We're going to name this the Bon... Oops. Proper spelling. Bon, butt. Slap. Oops. Slapper. 69,000. Uh-oh. There's a period at the end of that. We can't have that. It will mess up things. Okay, what's this body? Did that not... I thought this merged. Oh, it did. Oh, whoops. I may have had the combine... Did I have that on? Yeah, probably combined body, but oh no, wait, that's the old body on the wrong size. Shit, no. We cannot delete. That deletes it from the timeline. We don't want that. Okay, what's this one? Oh, we're just gonna call that butthole servo gear. Butthole servo, giveaway handle, that's the original. So we'll just call this one OG. I don't know what any of that is. Where is this? Find a window. Oh yes, this little tiny tube. This little tiny tube that I don't need. Go away. Alright. BonBon is ready to smack my butt while I sleep. And that's basically it. Look at that. I was aiming for 10 minutes, but look at that. We're at 30 minutes. Yes. Yes, spin. Yes. Spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round. Oh, look, I can make like a little coin slot, like you wanna play the slot machine? Oh, there goes your life savings. Oh, you got a third mortgage coming up. Whee! Oh, look, he's like a penguin. Whack, whack. Gunter, why are you a blue bunny? Whack, whack. Whack, 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 whack. No, Gunter, stay away from the microphone! Gunter, no! Whack, 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 whack.